Come on, Mitch. What do you got?
The lanes were good today.
In what
They
way?
were pretty soft.
Always?
Always?
All ways.
They were always.
Not always. All different ways. Yes.
You have to add some words in there.
Like
Like-
always?
Like, the lanes were soft in all ways that people played them.
Just to the right. Mostly with your thing. Or big symmetrical balls. I mean big asymmetrical balls. It was just a strike fest and you had to strike, and you lost a lot of matches with a lot of good scores. And some matches you won with bad scores.
Yeah, some matches you won with the good scores. I didn't win a single match with a good score.
My low score won a match and my high score lost a match.
Congratulations. All my scores lost matches.
Except for 3 or 2.
Mitch, tell them what you did today.
What'd you throw?
Give him the speech.
I threw a plugged purple hammer. It's true. Just up the G banger. And started a flat 10, I just switched to a different purple hammer. And yep, that was it.
And then bing, bang, boom.
Just I told Packy, we just have to accept it.
Yep, I agree.
It's the way it is.
Listen,
Make it soft and ball.
Nick is about to get yelled at
Why?
because he was on staff, didn't even throw his purple hammer because it wasn't good, and now all he does is complain about them.
What I'm feeling.
Listen, you play to win the game. No matter what ball, what color, what shape, what size. Anyways, today I also used a purple hammer and I flat sevened about 3 to 4 times a game.
Lefty should never flat 7.
I flat sevened and messengers missed every single one of them for
They need
220,
directions.
230. Tomorrow I'm going to throw a hero solid, and that's going to be the play because 220s and 230s aren't going to make the TV show. 240s and 250s might.
So you're going to chase ball reaction?
I am going to chase.
Strikes.
I'm going to
Any
chase strikes. I'm not chasing ball reaction. I have good ball reaction. I have safe ball reaction that will keep me in like 15th, but I'm going to go chase 5th place because
Ooh,
that's what
big booty.
that's what we show up for. We show up to win trophies. We don't show up to finish 15th.
Chase it down.
Let the big dog eat.
Everybody.
How do we make the show?
Things have to go right. Have to get good matchups. Make good decisions when you go to a new pair. Hope your opponent doesn't shoot 280 against you. And yeah, because them shooting 280 against you is no guarantee. Yeah, unfortunately. Had 770 shot against me the first 3.
And then, and then how the turntables.
Yeah,
How the turntables have turned.
exactly. Won my next match by 2.
New day tomorrow. 16 games.
Had the low game
Marathon.
shot against me, 233, won it by 2, and then that just started a wave, a tidal wave.
Tidal wave to tidal waves.
Wave.
We gotta ride that wave.
And the purple is in play.
How much
Which in
surface
fact
you
you're
have
the
on the ball?
way. What's that?
How much surface?
Like 1,000.
1,000? Not even 500?
The fronts look so much, yeah, I can't use less than that.
That's crazy. How much
Yeah.
you got on yours?
I put 240 on my ball
that's
and
why
was
you keep
throwing it
seven-pinning.
as slow as I could and
I think
slamming
if you
on
like
it.
crush it with like 1,000, it gives you a little more back end motion.
The ones that I had that were not, I had one at 240, I had one at 500, and I had one at 500 that gets through the fronts a little better. And the one that gets through the fronts a little better, got all the way down lane.
Yeah,
and
see, I
made
think
the
go to
247.
like I couldn't use my usual one. I have to go to the one that flares more, so it would slow down and like get the half tens up. Because I wrapped tens so many times with the other one.
Wrapping seventh was my favorite thing to do today.
I think
Did
I
you
shot
make
like
them all?
40 10 pins today.
I think I missed one 7-pin out of about
Hold on.
35 that I shot.
You know what the fans want to know, though?
What?
What was the first game today in
Oh.
each of the blocks?
220 both times clean,
Clean.
with 4 wrap 7-pins.
No mismakeables.
No mismakeables. Somewhere like that. My makeables spare percentage game 1 is still probably 60. But yeah, so for me to make the show, I'm going to need to throw reactive and have something magical happen. But they don't call me the magic man for nothing.